everyone, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to do a no makeup and this is gonna be fun because no makeup is my favorite kind of makeup. Let's just get into this tutorial. So the first of all that I like to do is to even out my complexion and stuff, and usually I don't use foundation. I actually just use concealer, and that's that. Thank goodness, because on my face there aren't many like breakouts and stuff. So yeah, I'm really lucky to have that, and so that's why I just need a concealer. So for concealer, I am using Nude Sticks concealer pencil. My shade is number light 3. So I really recommend this concealer because it's very easy to use. It is also have a medium coverage, and it's also buildable. And of course, not to mention, with it being a pencil, you can carry it anywhere very freely, so it's really good. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to conceal under my eyes. Like, definitely under my eyes is like a #1 spot. And I usually kind of extend it a bit like that. Yep, so that's that. And the other areas that I like to conceal is also on my chin, and then on the corner of my lips, like that. And sometimes I like to do it here as well, because I do have like a lot of redness over here. So yeah, there you go. Now let's go ahead and just blend this thing. And alright, that's actually all the blending that needs to be done. I don't use like some beauty tools. I kind of just use my finger to blend and apply stuff, because to me, like, that's the easiest way, and at the same time I can also achieve the natural and no makeup look. So the next one that I like to do is actually my eyebrow. I'm actually looking for my eyebrow pencil. Where is it? Oh, here you go. So I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz Skinny Brow Pencil. I think this is the shade medium brown. So yeah, this is the shade medium brown, and I actually just buy the mini travel size one because I rarely wear makeup, and so yeah, to me, like, the travel size really just enough. And most of the time I can't even finish the travel size too, so yeah. Okay, I kind of just make it this way, so that's pretty good, because I do notice my my eyebrow over here, there's like lack of hair, so that's why I kind of just like to make it a bit bolder over here as well. And let's do the other one. Okay, there you go. I love this eyebrow pencil so much because it's so easy to use, and it's really natural as well as buildable, so I like it a lot. And then of course it comes with the brush, so you can definitely just brush them. I like to just brush them upwards like this. There you go. Let's do one here. Okay, there you go. Eyebrows are snatched. Alright, and then the next one after eyebrow, I usually kind of just either do my blush or my eyes, but I think let's just do eyes first. Okay, so for the eyeshadow, I like to use Can Make Perfect Stylist Eyes. This is how the product looks like. This is the shade number 18, so if you're looking for it, then there you go. is amazing because it contains all the natural eyeshadow colors, and it's perfect for my skin tone as well. And so you know, you can just either use one shade or two shade or all of them depending on how dramatic you want your eye to look. But for me, I kind of just use two colors from this eyeshadow palette. So I use this one and then this one right here. So first of all, let's just go ahead and take this shade over here and apply them on my eyelid. Okay, so that's that. Now let's just go ahead and apply the darker side. Alright, so as you guys can see, the eyeshadow is so thin that you guys can't really see that I am wearing an eyeshadow, which is exactly the purpose of this for this no makeup look, right? So you want to look like you're not wearing any makeup. Okay, so the next one that I like to do is definitely eyeliner. I just can't pass a day without eyeliner, honestly. I love eyeliner so much. So let's just go ahead and wear the eyeliner. I'm using Sephora X Stabilo felt liner. This is how it looks like. This is in the black color, but I'm gonna show you how to apply this so subtly that it's very matching with the no makeup theme. So okay, first of all, I kind of just start from the outer side of my eye like this. And just do that. Like, that's literally how I do my liner. I'm just kind of extending it a little bit like that. So you know, nothing so dramatic, nothing like a very bold and thick eyeliner. Now let's do one over here. And like sometimes when I kind of draw it mistakenly like that, it's really no problem. I kind of just smudge it with my finger like this, and that's that. So as you guys can see, the eyeliner is also not obvious. So that's perfect. Now let's just go right ahead with the mascara. So obviously I like to wear mascara as well. So I like to wear mascara as well because they're just so amazing. They're so, I don't know, they just give like a really great addition to your makeup. Even though you want to do the no makeup look, like mascara is a must. It's still a must. Okay, so I kind of just, you know, applying it very thinly. I don't really need to coat it so many times, even though I could, and I can get like a really long lashes and stuff, but I just prefer it to be, you know, just a little bit of coating of mascara, and that's that. Nothing dramatic, nothing too much. And yeah, I think my eye look is amazing. I think it's good. So now let's go ahead to the blush, shall we? So for the blush, I actually love to use this is from Muji. I don't really know the shade name. Wait, hold on, let me find it. I can't find it, but the label behind looks like this. So I don't know if it's similar, then I guess you're in the right shade. This one has like a really nice reddish pink color, which is just amazing for blush. So let's just apply a little bit like this. I like to apply blush like little by little, so it's not like a whole lot of it and then apply to everywhere. Kind of just little bit by little bit. And I actually have like a lot of cream blush. I have tried like powder blush, but it's just not working out. I think I really still like cream blush a lot more. So I think it's a bit subtle, you know, but you know, it depends on you. Sometimes you want your no makeup look to be a bit bold, and sometimes you kind of just want it to be as subtle as possible. So you know, when you apply your blush little bit by little bit, then you can kind of control the build-up. So for me, I want it to be just a little bit bolder. just a little bit. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty good. Yep, I think I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, so now let's go ahead and to, you know, apply the lipstick. So I actually have a lot of lipstick that is just a perfect not neutral color. Like they're not you know, super bold, they're not very thin as well. Okay, so I think I found the perfect one. I'm not sure, you guys have to pick. Okay, so this is the lipstick that I made myself. Amazing color, but I also like Nude Sticks Pulse. This is the gel color, lip and cheek gel color, and this is in the shade Pulse. I love these two so much, especially like ever since I wear braces and then my teeth start to get, you know, a lot better, like they just align better and stuff like that. I have a lot more confidence because my lips look a lot better as well. And you know, compared to last time, my lips just look so horrible and I can't wear like bold color at all, and now I can, so that's amazing. Okay, so let's give a bit of color to this dull colored lip. Okay, so I'm gonna use my own lipstick, the lipstick that I made by myself. So yeah, let's go ahead and apply this. And I actually like to kind of just apply thinly like that, and then I kind of just pucker up like this. Yeah, that's kind of it actually. I don't really like to, yeah, like, you know, apply everywhere with the lipstick. Yeah, just a little bit will do, because again, like, this is a no makeup look, so we don't really want to look like we are wearing super bold lipstick. So yeah, and then I also like to kind of just use my finger and blur it out a little bit like that. Oh my god, this lips color is amazing. I love this lipstick so much. It's great, it's easy to use, the color, the pigmentation is there. So I'm really proud of myself that I can make lipstick like that. So yeah. Anyway, if you guys want to make your own lipstick too, I have the video on my channel, you can check it out. I will link it in the description box below as well. Yeah, so you know, you can just go ahead and check it out. I feel like it's very easy to do, and the ingredients are also easy to find, and you guys can definitely make them. So for the last step, what I like to do is a bit of highlight, just a little bit of highlight. We don't want our highlight to be, you know, like blinding and stuff, so it's just a little bit. And I'm using the Nude Sticks all over face color highlight and glow. This is in the shade Illuminati. Okay. So what I like to do is I like to tap my finger on the stick, and then I kind of just tap them on the face. So instead of, you know, like using the stick and apply it straight to the face, I feel like this one is a lot more subtle and it can blend a lot easier as well. Well, the lighting here is terrible, so we can't see like the highlight. But yeah, usually like it is quite visible. So yeah, so what I like to do is kind of just tap and tap on the area that I do want to highlight. Actually, you guys can see a little bit over there, like there's a bit of shine over there, which is great. We don't want too much though. Like, this is a no makeup look, so we shouldn't wear too much. Okay, so oh my god, this is amazing. I like it so much. I like this makeup look so much. And I think you know what, like, this is also great for those of you who wanted to go on like a Zoom call or something like that. You know, you're not actually going out, but you're just kind of, you know, want to look a bit prettier on Zoom or something like that. This works for that as well. So, and it's super duper easy, and you know, you don't need like any fancy tool. just tap and tap, and yeah, that's all. Like even sometimes I also like to use my lipstick as my blush, and sometimes like you can even use your lipstick for eyeshadow as well. So like it doesn't need a lot, to be honest. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video is helpful and beneficial for you, and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.